grade. Welcome to the 2020-2021 school year. It is so exciting to be here with you. My name is Mrs. Jagtiani, and I will be the fourth grade 4B teacher. I am your virtual teacher. I just wanted to take an opportunity to thank you for trusting us with your most prized possessions, which are your children. It is an honor and a very humbling experience that God would allow us to do this during this time. Well, I wanted to share our fourth grade theme this year. We are the Eagles, and this is based out of Isaiah 40:31, which says, "But those who wait on the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings like eagles. They shall run and not be weary. They shall walk and not faint." So that is what our hope for is for this fourth grade year, that we will rise above all things and conquer fourth grade and end strong and successfully with the Lord's help and, of course, technology. We are walking into a lot of uncharted territory, which is now an area that we are learning to conquer. So we will conquer together via Zoom with virtual teaching. We're going to have lots of fun and learn from each other and encourage each other. We're going to be using different platforms like Edmodo to upload assignments and quizzes and tests. We will be communicating via Remind. We will be also using Spelling City for our spelling assignments and quizzes and practices. We will also be using iExcel. iExcel will help us to get higher and higher and higher grades in our testing at the end of the school year. So I'm looking forward to serving you. I'm looking forward to walking this journey with you. I am excited to pray with you. I am excited to teach you brand new and magnificent things. We will see God in every area that we learn, from math to science to language to social studies to Bible and even penmanship. Yes, even penmanship. You never know where God is going to take us. So we need to be ready. We need to be ready to be a light into this world. Again, my name is Mrs. Jagtiani. I have taught here at Colonial Christian School for a year. I was a third grade teacher last year. I had the honor and the privilege to work with most of the students last year for a little bit and some for the whole school year. I have 4 children, 2 are adult in college, and I have a 11th grader. I can't believe she's in the 11th grade, who will be attending Colonial Christian School. And I also have a middle schooler. I live in the Florida Keys, so it is always exciting when you take a drive and see the beautiful creation through the ocean. I'm married to Mr. J. Jagtiani, and he is a wonderful youth leader and youth at our church. We are youth leaders. We love the Lord. I love to teach. I love to be used by God to serve your families and to walk with you through the journeys that life brings on this side of heaven. I look forward to meeting you in person, hopefully by the end of the school year. But in the meantime, we can just keep in touch via Zoom. If you need to speak with me, you can reach me via email or Remind, or we can always schedule Zoom phone calls. I look forward to seeing you. I look forward to working with you. I look forward to the adventures that virtual schooling will bring. And welcome, Eagles. Welcome to fourth grade. I will see you on Monday.